Bro, single, divorced, and no money after 40 ramai orang rasa hidup dah habis. Loneliness, financial stress, and pressure from people around make everything feel heavier. Biggest problem is feeling like you failed. Many men start blaming themselves and lose confidence. Kalau terus stuck in this mindset, susah nak bangun balik. First step, accept the situation without overthinking. Then focus on one thing only. Stabilize your money and daily routine. Small progress every day is better than big plans that never start. Second, rebuild yourself slowly. Improve health, learn new skills, and keep your mind busy with positive things. Don't rush to find new partner or get rich fast. Fix yourself first. So if you are single, divorced, and no money after 40, it's not the end. Start small, stay consistent, and rebuild step by step. Link in description if you want useful tools. You can still rise again, bro. Links are in the description for my gadgets, aquarium products, and gold investment. Explore below and subscribe.